Following the inauguration of the 10th National Assembly in Abuja on the 13th of June 2023, families, friends, community, and political leaders have jointly organized a Thanksgiving service and reception ceremony in honor of Honorable Donald Ojogo, member House of Representatives, Ilaje, Ese-Odo Federal Constituency. The Thanksgiving service, which held on Sunday 18th June 2023 at First Baptist Church, Ojogo, the hometown of Honorable Donald Ojogo, had in attendance wife of the MHR, Mrs. Florence Ojogo, his children, family members, community and political leaders, friends and well-wishers. At the Thanksgiving service, praises and special rendition were rendered in honor of Donald by the choir of the First Baptist Church, Ojogo. After which, a very brief sermon was given by Dr. Saturday Ajayi Olatunde, President, Ondo State Baptist Conference. Reverend Olatunde in his sermon urged the MHR, Honorable Donald Ojogo, to try as much as possible to fulfill all his campaign promises, charging him to utilize the mandate given him judiciously. To whom much is given, much is expected.
If they see our missed call, they will pick it. But when the moment they get here, if you may listen to me, honorable, you do that. That is the beginning of your failure. Those who have been calling your number and you have been picking their number. They will still continue to call you. Respect their number. Call them back when you miss their call. Never you do as if you never see. No matter how busy you are there, there will be a moment of rest. There will be a moment of rest. Your moment of rest. Check all text messages. Reply as many you can. Check all missed call. Call back as many you can cover. Don't forget your consistency. Forgetting your consistency is the beginning of your failure. Hold on to that. Don't behave like others politicians. They say I have another hotline. Only hotline we go, they block everybody. People need to look up onto you.
Other officiating ministers were Reverend Thank God for Loki, Reverend Ogundiya Ezekiel, and Reverend James Oluwanishe. Again, at the service, prayer session was conducted, especially for the immediate family of Honorable Donald Ojogo. While giving vote of thanks, Honorable Donald thanked God and appreciated all the good people of Ilaje and Ese-Odo for giving him the opportunity to serve. Promised sound and quality representation, stressing that the mandate given to him shall be courteously protected and used for the benefit of all, not only party members. He noted that the mandate given to him is meant for all the good people of Ilaje and Ese-Odo and not for political party. He assured the people that his vision and objective is to help those who are doing poorly to do well and to help those who are doing well to do better. By continually blowing the progressive trumpet of employment and empowerment programs. The thanks given service was wrapped up with a recessional hymn and benediction. The reception ceremony started just immediately after the Thanksgiving service at Okeshilo Open Field, Ojogo. The chairman of the occasion, Chief Olushola Alexander Oke SAN, while giving his opening remarks, acknowledged the unlimited grace of God that abounds over everyone present at the event. He specially appreciated all people who worked vigorously and ensured victory for Honorable Donald, which consequently culminated in the celebration of the day. He then reposed confidence on the leadership prowess of the MHR. He appealed to the people to keep faith with the MHR and advised the people to support the federal lawmaker to bring about better dividends of democracy to their constituents through quality legislation and representation. Senior High Chief Bibokpere Ajube, while speaking, thanked Honorable Donald Ojogo for yielding to the call. He also thanked the people of Ilaje and Apoi for standing by their promise to support the Arubu-born Honorable to victory. He singled out Chief Olushola Oke for the leadership role he played in ensuring the victory. He went further to charge the new bride, Honorable Donald, to be a good ambassador of the riverine communities by using his office to mobilize human and infrastructural development to the oil-rich region. At the reception, Alfred Izonebi, J. King, and his Because of Love crew were fully on ground, rendering melodious songs to entertain the congregation. Some of the dignitaries at the reception were Perez Zacchaeus Egbunu, the Agadagba of Arubuijo Kingdom, and Opukutu the Third, Senior High Chief Bibokpere Ajube, aka General Shoot at Sight, Chief Olushola Oke SAN, and his wife, Dr. Mrs. Idowoke, Honorable Lawumi Anna Fayemi, Barrister Idowu Mafemi-Shebi, Honorable Tito Atikashi, Honorable Oyebo Aladeton. Others were high-profile Nigerians, community and church leaders, traditional and spiritual chiefs, politicians, and community dwellers. The Chairman Organizing Committee, who is the present head of Presidential Amnesty Ondo State Liaison Office, Mr. Tiwatimi Samuel, appreciated all the invited guests for taking time out of their tight schedule to honor the MHR and attend the program, praying for journey mercy to their respective destinations. This report is gathered and produced by Golden Rule Magazine. Producer Taiwo Bamila.